Okay, so hi, this is Ankit, and today it is 10th of June 2026, and today I will be heading to Amroha for my cyber policy internship program. And abhi current time is 10 a.m. I guess. Okay, it's around 10 a.m. and I'll be leaving around 12 or 1 p.m. from here, then 3 to 4 hours. So I guess around 4 to 5 p.m. I'll reach Amroha, basically near the Venkatesh University. I'll be staying there only. So it's gonna be my first internship, and I am very excited. Okay, I'm very excited, and but I will miss this cricket. Okay, we used to play cricket every evening at this place, so I'm gonna miss that. But irrespective of this, if we get an opportunity to play there, it will be it will be very good for me because I like playing cricket. So let's see if I gonna get any opportunity to play there in Amroha. There might be two, what do we say, there might be two conditions where we can play inside the university. Secondly, we can play near the place where I'm staying, uh, if there is any ground, and if students or someone is playing there, I can join them. So there may be two possibilities. Okay, and if any one of them will be fulfilling, so I will be joining to that group, irrespective of university or the uh, playground. Okay, so I'm very excited, and I am currently having two bags. Okay, first is that wheel wala bag hota hai wo, and the secondly is पीठ में लगाने वाला bag, in which I'll be having my laptop. Okay, and what else I see, I have kept all the clothes, including shirts, pants, jeans, shoes, namkeens, kurkuras, laptops, everything. Okay, I've kept everything with me now. Ooh, now I'm very excited. And also, if I show Mosam to you, it's not that much sunny weather. It's cloudy weather. Okay, बहुत cloudy हो रखा है, पूरा बादल लग रखा है, and I want weather to be in this state only. Means I want weather not to be changed, because अगर ज़्यादा ही गर्मी हो जाएगी तो it would be very annoying for me. Okay, and I'll travel by bus. So I'm very excited. So let's see. Okay, and this is gonna be my first ride, first travel, which will be alone, because I'm going alone. So this is the first experience of my life where I'm gonna travel alone without any parent or without any friend. So I'm very excited for this. At the age of 22 years, I'm very excited ki I'm gonna go for my first trip, which is alone, and very happy. And what else? Nothing. So now onwards, the vlog will be about everything. Okay, I'll be capturing every moment, every video. Okay, then I'll be adding day wise. Okay, I'll be adding day wise vlogs, which okay, so day wise vlog like 10th June, 11th June, 12th June, what I did on the particular day, it will be like in this way. Okay, and so, and the best part is I have got a background invitation to a program, and seriously I'm very excited for this because I have got my first invitation program in background. I have only submitted three bugs right now, and out of three, one is not applicable, one is informational, and the other is it is P4 and it is unresolved right now. So I don't know what I'm gonna get after this, but it is taking time. I reported it 1 month ago. So it's because of these three bugs I'm getting private, not private invitation, but I'll say invitation. Okay, invitation. At least I'm getting invitation. If I uh, follow up more on this platform, then I'm surely gonna get the private invitation. And private invitation is far better than the public. Okay, that is far better than the public. And the best part is Nothing. Okay, so I'm gonna enjoy. So this is gonna be my vlog. Okay. So right now I'm sitting in my shop. I have packed my bag and I have made my laptop charged. Now I just have to put my laptop inside the bag. So and then what we say वो चैन लगा देना खत्म. Then I'm gonna go. Okay, it's 10 a.m. and 11:12 I'll eat. I'll be having my what do we say? Let's go lunch and then okay. Bye.